Hello cousins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Big Mama Cooks and here I make mom level recipes made easy and I air fry them too. Today's recipe is going to be a super easy, delicious and refreshing jugo de avena con limón or jugo de limón con avena. Let's get right to it. All of the ingredients will be listed in the bottom bar, but I'm gonna start by squeezing the juice of 5 limes. 5 green limes. I'm gonna squeeze all of the juice and I'm gonna set it aside. Then in a blender, I'm going to add 1 cup of oats. I used the 1-minute oats and I added 1 cup of water. So 1 and 1. And I'm going to blend this for about a minute and a half because I want my oats to fully break down. Also, old-fashioned oats can definitely be used for this recipe. The next step is completely optional and up to preference. I'm going to pass my avena mix through a strainer to remove any extra grounds that are left behind. This blender is like beast mode power and does a really good job of breaking down foods. This is all of the grounds that was left. This looks like farina. Next, I'm going to add in my reserved lime juice straight into the avena mix. And to this, I'm going to add 3 cups of water. And I'm also going to add in una tapita de vainilla clara or a teaspoon of clear vanilla. The next part is also completely optional. I'm going to add half a cup of sugar, and how much sugar you add to your jugo de limón con avena is completely up to you. There's a ton of bitterness that needs to be cut through, so I add half a cup of sugar and it's never too sweet. Serve it over ice and enjoy. This keeps in the fridge for 3 to 4 days in a container, and this juice is very well known to aid in milk production for lactating mamas, so it can help your milk supply. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. Thank you for watching, cousins. See you again next time.